Hebei Greens Machinery Manufacturing Co., Limited. Hot Dip Galvanizing Production Line. Overall Process Demonstration. Black Material Loading. Rail-Guided Cart Feeding. Hanging galvanized parts onto the PLC-controlled multi-station hoist. Pickling Tank Pickling. Water Washing Tank. Water Washing. After water washing, water draining. Entering the fluxing tank. Transfer to rail-guided cart for discharging. Acid mist treatment equipment. Secondary hanging of galvanized workpieces. Sent to the galvanizing area via the overhead rail. Entering the galvanizing bath. Zinc fume collection inlet. Zinc dross cleaning. Ammonia removal tower. Dust collector. Activate the vibrator. Activate the vibrator to remove excess zinc. Galvanized workpieces entering the cooling tank. Measuring galvanized coating thickness. Entering the passivation tank. Transfer to the loading area via rail. Transfer galvanized parts to the finished goods storage area via forklift. Finished products packed as required, such as the entire flow of the hot dip galvanizing line.